Hello friends, this is Paresh here. In this video, I am going to give you some ideas. If you want to do a proper consultations about your own house, about your own office, if you want to know what would be the required components to do a proper consultation of your own self, and later on you can add on to your other family members, to your friends, and maybe to your clients. So what would be that important components that if you know, that would help you do a proper consultation. So one of the thing that you would require is this lacquer antenna, this instrument which is called as the lacquer antenna. So what we are doing is, we have planned a 3 days lacquer antenna course online which we do, where we give you all the ideas about how to use this instrument, what are the different wavelengths, how you can check a human being, how you can check different objects, how you can check a vastu. So all the important things which you want to know about lacquer antenna, how to use the instrument and all that, we cover in that 3 days course which we are doing online. So this is the first step which you need to know, because with this instrument you can check especially the energy part, the qualitative analysis what you can do with this instrument, and therefore it is very necessary, very important. The second important component which will help you in understanding any vastu or any person is the astro vastu part. Now what this astro vastu means? Astro vastu means using astrology, the KP astrology component of astrological part, adding that with the vastu, and combining both these together and understanding a house, understanding any commercial property in regards to the specific person. So what you can do is, when you read the chart of a person, the main company's owner, the CEO, or the main person, earning person of the house of the family, what you can do is, with that reading, now you can specifically design any place, something that is general and something that is specific, that makes a difference. Like when you go to a doctor and you take a general remedy, and when you go to a doctor and you get a specific medicine, you know how difference it makes, and you can get better faster. Same way, when a general thing is used as a vastu corrections, and when you do that same vastu corrections, seeing a person's chart, individual specific chart, where you take date, time and place into consideration, prepare a KP astrology chart, and from that chart now do something, apply something, do the planning part according to that specific chart. Similarly, what you will learn in this astro vastu course is, you open a chart without visiting a person's place, you are able to see and tell about the person in the person's place, where some components are kept, some objects are kept. It is like, you have put a secret camera in his house or in his place, and you are able to see his entire house. The person will feel like you are telling, in this direction this is kept, and you need to move because this is creating some issue, and he will be like, blown away, that how could you tell something where you have not visited. But that is what you can easily do with this astro vastu course. Then you also can do activation. Activation, I mean, say there are certain events in your life which are there in your horoscope. It is not that they are not there, they are there, but due to the placement that something is there in your house, they are not getting activated, and that event is not happening. So with this astro vastu, what you can do is, you can do the required corrections, you can do the required activations in your house, and then you will find that event happening, the results coming. Similarly, for business people, if they are finding their payments are getting blocked, they are not getting new customers, new orders, then here again they can specifically in their house or in their place, they can choose certain directions based on their chart, and remove certain negative components, certain negative anti-elements from there, and add something, do some activation, and which will help. They will find it happening that now the payments have started to come, they are getting new orders, they are getting new business. Similarly, there are something like court cases going on, health issues, all this by not only using astrology, but using astrology and finding a remedy, finding a solution, and activating something in the house. Now here I will add one more component. The activation we do in astro vastu is not only in the house, but it is also done on the body. Yes, it is also done on the body, and the results are very fast. So in Astro Vastu we cover a lot of subjects, different subjects, which helps in planning, in activation, in removing negative objects, and many things. So you can call us, you can find out more detail about this Astro Vastu course, and we will readily help you, send you the details immediately. So my number is 98693 52061. Immediately you can call on this WhatsApp number, send a message, and we will send you all the details. So one detail that we will send you, of course, is the Lacquer Antenna details, the course that we take online about this instrument, and the second would be of Astro Vastu. Now the third thing that you can add, if you want something more, is the Modern Vastu course. So what we do here in this Modern Vastu course is, along with the 8 directions, we go further and talk about 16 directions. We give you the different attributes of the 16 directions, which helps you in different areas of your life. And again, the Astro Vastu course that I talked to you about few minutes before, in that what we do is, the 12 rasis that we have in astrology, we compare these 12 rasis with the 16 directions. So therefore these 16 directions in Modern Vastu course, they help you to understand, and accordingly when you do the activation, you need to know in detail, in depth, about the 16 zones that you have in your place. So this helps, this detail comes in the Modern Vastu course. And the further division of 8 directions into 16 zones, give further division, it arises to 32 different entrances. So you can come to know the details about the 32 different entrances, and where your entrance is located in your place, and how good or bad it is, and again whether you need to remedy it or whether you need to activate it. So these all details will come in this Modern Vastu course. Then one more component to do something better. Here what you can add is the KP astrology course, because the events that we are talking about Astro Vastu, that we are talking about in the Astro Vastu course. Now if I need to know what events are going to happen in my life, so how will I know that? Unless I know to read the horoscope in the great depth, where Mahadasa is involved, Dasa, all different types of Antardasa, Mahadasa, Pratyantardasa involved, which give rise to event. The event happens when these planets, when they come in Dasas and all that, and they get triggered. Again there are transits involved. Today, like in KP astrology, you will learn about my today's Patrika. Yes, you can understand your natal chart and what are the planets that are transiting now in my chart and what they are doing, and accordingly you can do activations, you can plan for something, you can understand that this time period is good, and you can do gambling, and you can do some investment, some short-term trading. And again you can find out through your long-term KP chart is, now I need to stop here, I need to do some investment here, because my life, after 50 years, after 60 years, you are finding through Mahadasa that you may not be able to earn, you may not be able to save money. So then you can pre-plan now when you are young, at 30 years, 40 years, and keep some investment, safe investment, where you might get small interest, but that money will be helpful when you are at an age where you may not be earning, where your children may be far away in foreign countries, and here you may be alone, you don't know. So KP astrology will help you there in understanding your own self and understanding how you are going to go about in your life, the different events, and you can plan those events. Yes, because you get choices. When you know how to read a chart properly, you will understand that destiny is not fixed, but destiny is rather you can go for the different choices and make your destiny work for you. Anything. Simple example I will give. Your chart says you will be doing a proper primary education, but you always have the choice whether out of these 4 schools, which school I will go. So here again you can take help of astrology. Then after primary school, going to college, again you can easily go for a best of the college, but here you have choice. So with astrology, you can find out whether this would be rather better for me or this one. Similarly with marriage, You can see marriage that is showing in your chart, yes or no. But then the different brides that you get or grooms that you see, again you have choice. So again, with astrology only you are able to compare whether this is better or that is better. You understand? So why KP astrology is required along with the three components that you learn, that is Lakar antenna, where you can understand the energy part. You can check the different energies in Vastu of human being. Then the Astro Vastu part, because there then you can play with your energies. You can play, you can activate your house in different manners, and to understand your Vastu in a better way, an in-depth course like Modern Vastu will help you. And the different events that take place in your life, there this KP astrology will help you. So these are the 4 courses, if any person does, forget about doing for your clients and going as a professional. Only if you do for your own self, what you are going to invest is a minuscule amount. And if you compare this amount what we are charging for our online courses, these 4 courses which run almost for 30 days, like a Lakar antenna course runs for 3 days, and we take around 2 to 3 hours a session. Then a Modern Vastu course is for 5 days, again it goes for more than 2 hours per day. A Astro Vastu course, it goes around for 9 to 10 days, again more than 2 hours. The current the Astro Vastu course that I am doing on this 19th of April, it is for 9 days, and you see in that every day my course is running more than 2 hours. It is going up to 3 hours every day. And similarly the KP astrology course, that itself is around 12 to 15 sessions. So if you count all that, my course will go roughly around 30 days every day, 2 to 3 hours every day. And the price that you are going to pay is a price which many people are paying only for one course. Yes, many of the participants outside that they are not engaged with us are paying only for one course which runs only for 8 to 10 days and roughly around 2 hours whatever plus what we cover only in one course, that is Astro Vastu, and what they get in other courses of Astro Vastu is almost half. So what we are trying to tell, you will get a lot of value for your money. You will get a lot of value for your time, valuable time that you will invest with us. And again, each and every course is step by step. Yes, because I am not a teacher, I am not a guru, I am not a philosopher, I am a student. So keeping in mind a student perspective, I have made these courses. Yes, keeping in mind the student component, I have prepared these courses which run step by step. So you will see in the reviews of the Astro Vastu course that is running currently, the participants have given me review on the 4th day. Even though my course is of 9 days, I have participants have given review to me on the 4th day that they have understood astrology on the 4th day, where they didn't know even the A part of astrology. Where when I was studying, around 16 years back, I have been studying everyday astrology from 2004. It has taken me to understand the basics of astrology around 2 years. That thing I have given to my participants in 4 days, and they have understood. Not only they have listened to me, but every day we give homework. Every day participants have to participate. It is not only me giving lectures to them, but they have to get involved. They have to get involved in the chart reading, and I only tell them one, and then every participant has to read the chart, and that is where they learn faster. And that is why I have made this course keeping in mind the student component and step by step approach. And then we also share the videos. Yes, we give the videos of each and every course and also the notes. The only component here is you have to fill a small registration form, so that all our admin department takes care of. So interested participants, do join our courses. They are very easy, step by step approach. So my WhatsApp number is 98693 52061. You can contact, also send email. It is paresh@worldonvastu.com. Very easy and simple steps where you can get a lot of information, value for your time, value for your money. Thank you, friends.